Lucky numbers have fascinated people for centuries, shaping cultures, beliefs, and even influencing life-changing decisions. From ancient traditions to modern-day superstitions, numbers hold a magical significance, often seen as symbols of luck, fortune, and mystery. Have you ever wondered why certain numbers are considered lucky while others are avoided like the plague? Let's dive into this fascinating world where numbers aren't just digits but powerful forces shaping destiny. One of the most famous lucky numbers is 7, a number that radiates perfection and divine energy. Think about it, 7 days of creation, 7 wonders of the world, 7 colors of the rainbow. Coincidence? Many don't think so. People instinctively pick 7 when choosing lucky numbers in lotteries, and it dominates casino games, adding to its allure. It's as if the universe itself whispers that 7 is special. Then, there's the mighty number 8, revered especially in Chinese culture. Why? Because it sounds like the word for wealth and prosperity. Businesses, phone numbers, and even wedding dates are planned around this lucky number. The Beijing Olympics? They kicked off on August 8, 2008 at 8:08 p.m. That's how powerful 8 is believed to be. It's literally a magnet for success. But not all numbers are beloved. 13 sends shivers down spines in the Western world. Hotels skip the 13th floor, and Friday the 13th is a day of caution. Why? Some trace it back to the Last Supper, where the 13th guest was Judas, the betrayer. Others just feel uneasy around it, reinforcing its eerie reputation. Meanwhile, in East Asian cultures, 4 is avoided because it sounds like the word for death. Buildings and room numbers often skip it entirely. Why take a chance with bad luck? What about numbers that hold personal meaning? In India, 9 is powerful, linked to spirituality and enlightenment. For others, 3 is the magic number, symbolizing creativity and harmony. Fairy tales love the rule of 3, 3 wishes, 3 trials, 3 little pigs. Even in religion, 3 holds significance, like the Holy Trinity in Christianity. Patterns of 3 seem to appear everywhere, reinforcing its deep-rooted mystique. Even 0, often seen as nothingness, carries incredible potential. It symbolizes infinite possibilities, fresh beginnings, and the very foundation of modern technology. Without 0, our digital world, including the Internet of Things, wouldn't exist. Numbers aren't just luck charms, they drive innovations, power artificial intelligence, and shape how we interact with the digital universe. Numbers even dictate sports, finance, and pop culture. Athletes swear by their lucky jerseys, traders choose stock prices based on numerical beliefs, and movies glorify numbers like 23 as mysterious and life-altering. Ever noticed how video gamers obsess over numbers for usernames or character stats? The belief in lucky numbers runs deep in every aspect of life, sometimes defying logic but always fueling fascination. Whether you're picking a lottery number, checking numerology for relationship compatibility, or simply intrigued by the hidden patterns in life, one thing is certain: lucky numbers aren't just superstition. They shape decisions, drive businesses, and add excitement to everyday life. So, next time you spot your lucky number, take a moment to appreciate the magic behind it. Who knows? It just might change your fate.